Where are these screw gun? There it is. There we go. That side's done with the battens. I know this is a project we've been putting off. We finally got all the battens. We pre-stained them and then put them up. Turned out looking pretty good. Except for all the brown screws. And this is the end. And we even did the backside. So now when I'm filming from in here, and this is a preview of an upcoming traction, big ugly pine log. So when you look through that back wall, you see daylight, so no daylight. Anyways, just wanted to do a quick little update video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.